What up, bitches? So I got I'm just gonna start this video basically saying I haven't been trading at all. I haven't been about my bread. All right. I've been slacking. So I made about 3 YouTube videos and I stopped. But what I have been doing is I've been focusing on Bitcoin because this shit is my shit. So my last video I made about it was that this was potentially the top. If you count 4-year cycles, I'm a believer in the 4-year cycle. 18 months post Bitcoin halving is usually around where Bitcoin tops out, which put us in October 2025. October 2025, October 6th to be exact, we put in a high of $126,272, and we've been trading down ever since. And just to refresh here, we're on the monthly time frame. Look at this. Monthly time frame inverted this bullish for value gap with a monthly time frame. You get one true inversion for value gap or break of structure to confirm bull market or bear market. 2021 we had this bullish monthly fair value gap inverted avalanche for the next year. 2017 it's a little different. It didn't invert this bullish fair value gap on the monthly until pretty much close to the bottom. But I still stand by that statement because as soon as we inverted, we made this bearish monthly fair value gap. 2018, this month in May, inverted the bearish fair value gap, and we continued upwards for 3 years. If you go back to 2018, we didn't have an inversion fair value gap, but we did have a monthly break of structure, which created a bullish fair value gap, which clearly got respected. And what did we see? From 2023 onward, 2025, just price just kept going on up. So here we are again, top of the bull market, inverted a monthly fair value gap. Doing so, we've created this huge monthly bearish fair value gap. So we're still on the monthly time frame here. Clearly, we revisited this zone and price is pushed way down, clearly respecting it. Look at this fucking wick. Big ol' fucking, I don't know. Anyway, so that was the monthly time frame. We respected this monthly fair value gap. So now we're going to go to the weekly time frame. Weekly, we also had a weekly bearish fair value gap. And that little rally we had, everyone was screaming to the rooftops, oh, we're back, we're back. Look, all it was doing was filling orders in this weekly bearish fair value gap, and we have a strong rejection of it. So now we have imbalanced price on the monthly, we have imbalanced price on the weekly, and it's currently being respected. We are in this range here, this little Fibonacci I got. Usually from this 1 to 1.2 area is like I call it the liquidity sweep zone. Because generally I find that if we do close above this level, we'll probably see a price push higher. So I was looking at this, but we've had a clear rejection from this weekly fair value gap and with the monthly too. And we still got 5 days left. So now I'm still bearish long term. Shorter term, I'm not completely bearish in the shorter term yet. On the daily time frame, what we have is we have this daily bullish fair value gap. Didn't get respected. Actually, in 4 hours and 57 minutes, if we close below this, Basically, that kind of confirms that price can continue lower. We do have this daily bearish for value gap. Price could push back into here, fill some orders, continue lower. But here we got a bunch of resting orders that haven't been taken out. We got this internal sell side liquidity, still hasn't been taken out. Then we got this external sell side. So if we honestly, if this closes below this level here, I mean, that would break structure, confirming this daily bearish for value gap. Price is balanced. It doesn't necessarily need to go back up there, and we can continue seeing price go lower and take out this sell side liquidity. It could just take out this down here potentially, take out both. I'd put us at about 80 grand a coin. So that's basically all I got. I'm still very bearish long term. Shorter term, if we close on the daily below 90,000, 90 bucks, this bearish for value gap won't be at play anymore, and we can see price continue lower. So about 5 hours, that'll confirm whether I'm bearish or bullish. And like I said in all my other videos, all 5 of them to be exact, maybe not all 5, but I'm just a schmuck on the internet. Don't listen to me. This is just my opinion. It's not financial advice. But I still think I'm right. I still think October this year, we're going to see the bottom. We generally lose 80% from all-time high, which will put us around 26K. So I'm in the United States. I can't short Bitcoin because, land of the free, my ass. So I just got to wait. I'm just stacking cash. And if it does get to 26K, awesome. I'm buying everything. All I got. Putting it all in, letting that bitch ride. So as far as I can tell, people think that this 4-year cycle is not intact. It's different now. Heard it all. I've been in this shit since 2017. Heard the same shit every time. And so far, every time we top out and a year later, it bottoms out. So until that actually happens, I'm still a believer in the 4-year cycle. So that's basically all I got. Yeah, that's my plan. Just stack as much cash as can. Wait for price to go lower. I want to wait till about October, and I'm gonna start buying back in until I got no money left. Cause fuck it, life's about taking risks, and I'm not gonna get rich with my money in a fucking bank to give me my 4 cents a month. So the banks can suck it. I'm gonna be my own bank. All right, catch ya in the next one, I guess, potentially.